Tonight, the city lights are glowing, and your kitchen is about to turn into a neon show. Want to make a diet-friendly snack that looks insane but takes only minutes? Here's everything you need. Watch them appear one by one. Yogurt, banana, apple, oats, a drizzle of honey, or any sweetener you've got. Honey. Start with a swirl of creamy yogurt, bright white glow. Next, drop in those banana slices, golden flash. Add crisp apple, fresh green energy. Sprinkle crunchy oats, texture explosion. And finish with a drizzle of honey, liquid gold shining under the neon. In just 5 minutes, you've got a healthy, gorgeous wow factor bowl. Simple ingredients. Drop a comment and follow for more neon recipes.